Hello, thank you for coming to these videos, of course, where we teach you on Saturdays every week games to play to learn vocabulary. So of course, this is our vocabulary box. Hopefully you're using every week at home. And of course, please watch our Anki video, which we explain this on our channel. So, of course, today we have a lot of games this month. Today we're going to have soccer bowling. So you take the ball and you put it in the middle of the room, and you tell the kids that we're going to play soccer bowling. And you come here, and they got to knock over. Oh no, it didn't get knocked over. So no points. But if it falls down, oh, I get a point. And then what is it? It's a starfish. Starfish. And then let's see. So Cassidy, please, can you start us off? Oh, 2 points. Okay, can you take your points? So Cassidy, what are they? You can give me the clips. There you go. It's a turtle. Can you show the camera? It's a turtle. It's a turtle.
It's a turtle and it's a sea.
Yes, okay, there you go. And like that. So you need a ball from Daiso maybe, and laundry clips. You can also find from Daiso. Let's see. Sarah, please, can you start? Okay, there you go, Sarah. What's this?
Starfish.
It's a
starfish.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so it's past Soichiro, go. So you can see it gets harder as you keep playing. Oh no! Okay, next. Karen, please. Oh no! Okay, have a seat. Okay, like that, you can play until you finish every card. Thanks again. Cassidy, see this? Don't forget, cards under your chair. Under your chair. Okay, thanks again. This was, of course, soccer bowling. Please come again next week where we'll explain what 52 card pickup is. Thanks again. See you. See you.
See you.